If you want to close your Telegram account, follow these simple steps to ensure that your data is removed and your account is deactivated. Step 1. Open the Telegram app. Launch the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Privacy and Security. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. This section contains various options related to your account's privacy and security settings. Step 4. Find the Delete Account option. Scroll to the bottom of the Privacy and Security section. You will see an option labeled Delete My Account. Tap on this option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm account deletion. You will be prompted to confirm your decision to delete your account. Follow the instructions provided, which may include entering your phone number and confirming that you want to delete your account. Once confirmed, your account will be permanently closed. After completing these steps, your Telegram account will be deleted and all associated data will be removed. If you change your mind, you will need to create a new account to use the service again.